So we moved the baby to isolation, the old kid, so he'd be safe. And we're watching Mom and Dad pick up the babies in their mouths
and spit them out in the castle.
and spit them out inside the castle where they feel safer. And Dad is mean mugging me right now.
Well, I really like that. I really like
Let's watch Mom work if he'll get out of the way.
I'll say a 14.
She just spit out a mouthful of babies.
And only if we do is all we really can have for the butterfly. I know it is for this castle.
Mom is picking up more babies. Lots of babies all in her mouth, taking them inside.
And bloop, 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 and bye, bye.
Spitting them out.
And they'll say for the castle for days. And we say for days. Always 14 hours. And we can do it a whole sentence.
Can you imagine having that many kids running around? No sooner than you get 10 or 12 of them moved, 20 or 30 of them go back.
I think he's trapped. I think the little fish is trapped. That fish right there is trapped. It's trapped in there, and it doesn't have nothing to eat. Well, I guess
That was a good shot. You could see them all get spit out there. Hi, Mama.
and